As humans, we have ideas that fit our own beliefs and prejudices. They focus on and around what we like or dislike personally. At other times, our opinions can be based on evidence, scientific evidence, evidence that is reliable and valid. It can be used to support our own personal opinions. This video is about how science works and how we can be sure that our opinions are based on more solid ground than just our personal ideas. In science, evidence has to be reliable and repeatable. That means if you carry out the same experiment or survey or research, then you should get the same result. Evidence also has to be accurate, that the data you obtain is very close to the true value. In science, we use variables. Variables are the basic data, the information or facts that we use to test our ideas and theories. And there are different types of variables that scientists use. An independent variable is the variable that we choose to change to see what effect it has. A dependent variable is the variable that we measure to see any effect that is caused by that independent variable. A continuous variable, for example time or mass, can have any numerical value. An ordered variable, such as small, medium or large, may be listed in order. A discrete variable can have any value that's a whole number. A categoric variable is a variable that can be labelled, a colour for example. Variables are often presented in a visual format, such as a table, a graph or a chart. Line graphs are used when both the independent and the dependent variables are both continuous. The plotted data is illustrated using a line of best fit. When the independent variable is categoric and the dependent is continuous, we use bar graphs. Scientists often try to establish links between variables. These links can be causal, which means where a change in one variable produces a change in the other variable. They can be a chance occurrence, just happen. They can be due to an association where both of the observer's variables are linked by a third variable. We can use existing models and ideas to suggest why something happens. This is called an hypothesis. We can use this hypothesis to make a prediction that can be tested. So when data is collected, if it does not support our original model or idea, then we need to check the data first to see that it's valid. If we confirm it is valid, then we need to return to our original model or idea and change that. That is how science works. Sometimes there are social consequences resulting from investigations. Maybe food safety, for example. When this happens, decisions may be influenced by other factors aside from the evidence. Bias or political considerations may affect the decisions and recommendations made. Of course, science helps us understand more about the universe, but there are still questions that science cannot answer. Not yet. Questions about whether there's life out there in the universe, or some questions are for wider society to answer. For example, should humans be cloned? In summary then, scientists carry out experiments with a range of different types of variables. Scientific evidence should be reliable and accurate, and links between variables can be causal due to another variable or just occur by chance. Scientists use hypotheses to make predictions that can be tested. In the next video, we'll be looking at speed and velocity. Make sure you subscribe to our channel. Click the bell to receive updates as and when we upload more videos. But until then, keep wondering about the universe.